Building a house in our country, Uganda, could be one of hectic things that is stressing to a client and as a developer because it requires a lot of money. Today we are going to see the progress of a 6-bedroom house we have been doing from inception to the end. Once again, this is Asime Timothy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like or share to a friend so that you can know more about construction. Okay? For every project to be successful, it starts with the planning, which is one of the things where you organize the architectural plans, structural plans, mechanical plans, electrical plans, do soil investigations, and take it for approval, pay taxes, as the system has been we have been sharing. So today we are seeing the project that has undergone all the phases of construction, which starts with planning, then preparation for the client, then later execution, until now we are finishing. This project that we've been doing and supervising here in Ontario Road started with plans, which we designed so well, then started with site clearance, which we have also done so well. Then we had to have the slabs casted. We transferred everything from plan to ground as it should be, that's setting out and everything. Then from there, the project has grown to where it is now. We are on finishing. This is what a client goes through when you are constructing a 5 or 6 bedroom solid house. One, you have to start with a plan. That is what is required for approval and everything, which includes architecture, structure, and mechanical. Then after that, you have to organize finances. You must have a financial muscle that can help you run the project. Most projects are usually a bit expensive. You find the project is taking over 200 to 500 million. So you have to organize your finances, organize your businesses, organize their maybe salaries to see how you finance that project. Then from there, you are ready. You can get a contractor who is trustworthy. Of course, a contractor has to help in executing the project. Then you can always have a consultant by the side of a contractor to help in maybe supervision to ensure that it is clean and done so well. From there until you reach like the stage we are on, where we are planning to do final exterior designs for the project, then we do final painting, we do work on windows and everything. So those are the phases a project goes through for it to be successful. But it requires someone to be prepared, to have that financial method, to have that ability to focus on the project to ensure that you are consistent over a period of time, because building any structure is stressing for any developer, and it is true for any project that you want to be successful. So this is how far we have gone with this project. It's from where we started up to today where it has reached. Thank you so much for following us. This is the shed. Here we're putting there black mud stones because we want that touch of the house. This client is a calm client. He doesn't want a lot of finishes. He wants that calm finishes for him. As you come here, this is the sitting room. It's a wide sitting room, as you can see. Headroom, that's the 3.5 headroom. He wanted the proper headroom for this house. So the whole of this is a sitting room. Then as you come this side, we are going to have our dining situated here. This is the dining area. Then we shall have a kitchen here. Shall do interiors for the client so that he gets the best for that. Then we shall have a pantry for the kitchen in this house. It will be located in this area here. That's a pantry. What's a pantry? That's a place you can store. Some people call it a store. But in that language of ours, it's a pantry. Then you have here the corridor. This is giving us the first bedroom here. All the bedrooms in this house are self-contained. This is the maid's bedroom. It's here. It has its own toilet. Wanted it a bit small for a maid. No, if you're doing for a maid, make sure that they don't get married in your house. You give them small space. So, you come. We've got this shed, which can act as an entry. If you don't want to use the other main, you come through here. Then we have this bedroom. This is the first bedroom. If you are visiting this house, you are going to sleep here, so you can prepare yourself. And here you have a shed. If you're in this shed, you're actually watching Lake Victoria there. That's the view of Lake Victoria. You can see there. You can see water there. So this would be an interesting shed for a visitor. It would be like a hotel. You have a wardrobe of course, and your toilet. So this is a self-contained suite for a visitor. I think I should always be a visitor in this house because we have done something cool. When people who are in the sitting room, this is the toilet. We call it a common toilet, whereby visitors, people are there, we don't want you to access anywhere, you come and access this through this. That's why we left this for proper aeration and everything. Then this is another bedroom. Another visitor will be here. We have this bedroom, it's enough. 3.5 by 3.5 bedroom. It has a wardrobe. It is also self-contained. Everything here is self-contained. It has got its toilet, so you're able to, but here no shade. So if you are coming and a visitor, always book the other one. So this is the second bedroom. And downstairs, we closed the stairs so that it can be used as a toilet for the maid. Below the staircases, there's space that can always use. Here we shall have something good as a cladding. Then here, we have got this mini bedroom. If you wanted a small mini bedroom, it's also self-contained. It has got a toilet, it has got a wardrobe. For someone here to also watch and enjoy the water, Lake Victoria, as you can see. The area is a developed area. So this is a mini one. I was proposing you can use it as a reading room, prayer room, or it can act as a bedroom, whatever he wants for. He wanted that much purpose. Then he had another small mini bedroom. These were originally two, but he says let's divide them so that he can get mini bedrooms. All of them self-contained, as you can see it. It also has a shed. The purpose of the shed was to make sure you enjoy the lake views. When you are here, you're watching Lake Victoria. That's the biggest lake in our country. Now, this is the girls' bedroom one. You can see it, it is self-contained. It has got a toilet here. It has got a wardrobe here. Then it also has a shed. You can access and see the lake. His concept was at least each child should be watching the lake based on the position of the house. Then we have got this corridor that is taking us here. The light is from here to distribute here. You have two bedrooms here. One is here, one of the biggest bedrooms here for boys, self-contained. Each bedroom here was self-contained with a shed. These ones will not stay the lake. So this is this bedroom. Then also another bedroom here, also self-contained. Is a shed also. For also boys. We've got a lot of boys. And also a lot of girls. Then after that you enter the master. You must reach the lobby first here. This is the lobby for the master. We organized it so that when you enter inside, you see that lobby. Don't just enter the master. Then from there, he has got his wardrobes. You can see them here. All these are wardrobes up here. They have got right from here so that you can see proper his clothes for the wife and husband. Then for bathing and everything, he wanted it separated. So this is the area where you can have your jacuzzi, whatever, shower and everything, the bathtub. Then he wanted the toilet, independent. Toilet is also there, independent of the bathing area. Then being his house, the entire house, this is the master suite bedroom, the whole of this. You can see to the shed and everything. The workspace for office is going to be located here. The bed is going to be located there. So this is where he's going to put his everything. The TV area is going to be here. This will be a suite itself, but this is the master bedroom for this house. And it is as enough as the owner required. He said the kids can live, but they will leave his home and he's the one who's going to keep sleeping here. So that's the house that we have been following up. And this is how far it has reached. That's the progress from here.